Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we are going to be looking at nature. So we are going to be naming nature in Sepedi. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one, we have a tree. What is a tree called in Sepedi? So a tree is called mohlari. A tree is called mohlari. The next one, we have a mountain. What is a mountain called in Sepedi? A mountain is called tava. A mountain is called tava. The next one, we have ocean. Ocean is called lewa. Ocean is called lewatli. The next one, we have a river. So a river is called nuka. A river is called nuka. A river is called nuka. The next one, we have island. So island is called sehlaka hlaka. Island is called sehlaka hlaka. Island is called sehlaka hlaka. So the next one, we have a dam. So a dam is called letamu. A dam is called letamu. A dam is called letamu. So what is a land called? A land is called naga. 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 So what is a sand called? So a sand is called santa. A sand is called santa. A sand is called santa. What is a soil called? A soil is called mobu. A soil is called mobu. A soil is called mobu in Sepedi. So the next one, we have a rock. What is a rock called in Sepedi? So a rock is called letapa. A rock is called letapa. So what is a forest called? A forest is called setuhwa. A forest is called setuhwa. So the last one, we have a beach. What is a beach called in Sepedi? So a beach is called lewopo. A beach is called lewopo. So that's it for our today's video. I'll see you in the next part of nature naming part 2.